Everyone's gridded.
Okay, new positive mental attitude. Navara in the MX-5. We're nearish the front. So let's see if we can have a good race.
Green flag, green flag.
Okay, we're off. This is the longer Navara track, so it's the one with all the extra corners. So it's not just that long straight. So let's just see if we can get through without any issues. It's a bit slippery on the first lap, so we do need to be careful.
On your left, you're on the right, 3 wide, left side, 2 wide. Clear on the left side.
Right, so where was that guy going?
Still there.
Okay. Bit of contact there.
Stay on the right.
No X's though. So we've got this guy here.
Keep to the right.
Okay. Need to be a bit careful here.
Clear on the left. Left side.
Bloody hell.
3 wide. Car on your left, 2 wide. Still
Okay. Wow. Oh, my positive mental attitude isn't helping, is it? Oh. Well, maybe it did, because the cars behind it all crashed. Oh, dear. Okay, I've changed the field of view of my rear view mirror. I'm not sure if that's helping or not, but anyway. We're still alive. Oh, I think we started 4th with 7. Look at that. They were coming through, weren't they? Bloody hell. I was lucky to keep out of the way there, I think. Let's see what we can do. If we can keep up. You can see it's the much longer Navara. There are lots more opportunities. There we are, dropping back a little bit, aren't we? Get into our rhythm. Maybe get into the slipstream if we can. We're just outside, I think. Another crash behind, so gosh, oh dear, someone's on their roof, aren't they? Not sure what's happened there, but anyway. Yeah, hopefully we'll have someone behind us and we can see if I've set the mirror right, because I'm not sure if I have. Anyway, yeah, this is where it all went wrong, wasn't it? Through here. Gosh, and those two cars are inside each other. Somebody's blinking. Oh gosh. He's blinking a lot, isn't he? This is going to be interesting. Need to get past him, really, in a way. I'm never quite sure where's he going to appear.
Car right. Clear on the right.
Okay, we've got by. Hopefully we can get away from him. Okay, off track. I didn't really want that. Okay, I need to be in the 58s, maybe even 57s if we can. That's what we're aiming for. Just get away from this guy behind. I don't like blinkers. Get on these guys in front. Another off track, blimey. He's a 1.5 seconds behind now.
There's an incident ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go left.
Okay.
The next car's the leader.
Incident ahead. Somebody's gone off. Someone got hit as well, I think. That might impact their straight line speed. A shame for them.
You're in 5th.
5th, okay. We did a 57, so quite pleased with that. Okay, well, let's take a penalty.
You're on the right, 3 wide. Clear all around.
I think we'll take that penalty.
You got a penalty for cutting the course.
That was lucky. My goodness. Oh dear. What's that? Oh, come on. I want to get away from this blinker. Get back on him. Come on, David. Get away from him.
Slow car ahead. Go right. There's an incident.
Okay,
ahead.
somebody off.
The next car's the leader.
We're fourth. 3x we got at the moment. See if we can catch them. Nice to catch them, so we're fourth anyway. Back to where we started, and we seem to be closing in, don't we? Nice to be in the slipstream on the straight if we can. Don't want the leader to get away. Don't think we're quite in the slipstream. Not like last time, but anyway. Let's try and do a better job than we did last time. Oh. Well, they're going to be side by side, so they're going to be battling a little bit, which might slow them down. Yeah, back and forth, yeah.
Just set the fastest lap.
Hey!
0. Hey, go left. There's an incident ahead.
Well,
The next car's the leader.
can we catch the leader? Oh my goodness. That was a hell of a crash, wasn't it? He was on top of him. Can we catch? What are we? 2.25 behind.
Five minutes to go.
5 minutes to go. What do we reckon then? 2.12 behind. Should be a better lap, I think, for us. Got no one around us to get in the way. Mr. Blinker is far enough back, I think. .92, so we closed into it in 2 seconds. Couple of laps left, I guess. He's chasing the win, isn't he? He's not going to give it up, I wouldn't have thought. What lap time has he done then?
Okay, you're in second.
Got my best lap, 57.9, yeah. What's he done? We're a second lap quicker than him, were we? Not quite. Half a second. .49 behind. .38. Okay, we are closing, aren't we? If we can get in slipstream range, that'll make a hell of a difference. Don't want to overdo it on the throttle. He'll see me coming, won't he? Might put him off. His brakes glowing red ahead. So we're at a second, aren't we? Look at that. Okay. Another slipstream down the straight. Is this going to be enough?
Flag this time.
Last lap. What do we reckon then? Where can we do it? Close him. I think we need to push him into a mistake, don't we? Not literally. Not going to push him. It'd be good if he made a mistake. Close. We're close. Not close enough though. Half a second. What do we think? Oh, I don't know. Need him to make a mistake, don't we, really? Well, is that a big enough mistake? And I get up his inside to the line.
Car on your left.
Yes, we can.
There, hold your line. Clear.
I think he gave it to me, didn't he? I think he gave it to me. We've done it. Ah. Hey, there we go. New positive mental attitude.
You won.
It worked.
See you in victory lane.
We won. And only a 4x. Oh dear. Anyway, let's get a bit further around the way and let's look at some of those incidents because they were amazing. Okay then, so here's the start. We got away okay, I think. And then we'll look at the first corner because we just got completely beaten up, didn't we? So we're fourth. We're doing okay. That's where we started. I thought I got a good run. Didn't need to take the slipstream. And then was I just too cautious here then? I guess I was on the inside. We had that blinker. I mean, that guy, number 9, bloody hell, where did he come from? And then we were just getting beaten up by like the whole field. Yeah, that was not good. They got up the inside here, didn't they? So number 3, the blinker. Again, I was being a bit cautious and the leaders are just getting away. So, yeah, I played it safe. And, yeah, he got by as well. And then I think there was a couple more, weren't they? Yeah, they just went for it. Number 10 and the yellow car ahead. And, yeah, where am I now? 2, 4, 6, 7th. So, yeah, I really, I had to defend the inside here. And then these 3 behind all hit each other. So, yeah, happy about that. Anyway, let's look at the other incidents. So what have we got here then? Just an over-rotation. Oh, dear. Oh, blimey. Oh, unlucky. And then that was the one I thought went on his roof, but maybe it didn't. Yeah, over-rotation. Get off those curbs. Another one. Oh, and helped round. Oh, dear. Was that the leader? I think it was, wasn't it? Oh, and almost an unsafe rejoin. Then what have we got? So these two that was the lead pair, wasn't it? So they're sort of bumping into each other. Is this where they go off? I think it might be, because there's the guy we were fighting for the lead. They're nearly together. I don't know. No, this isn't where they went off. Okay, let's keep going then. So is it here? No, they're just bumping into each other, I think. Oh, blimey. Well, that's a bit rough, wasn't it? Nothing here. Well, they're going to get hit by a car rejoining. Now he's just going to run to the back of him. Then what have we got? Oh, where are you going, mate? He's off the line, wasn't he? Yeah, not sure what they were doing. Then what have we got? 2 together. Oh, and yeah, this is where they... Oh, well, it looked a lot worse than that, and we went through. And then what have we got? So this is the leaders, that green leaved car. Oh dear. He's not having a good time. Is it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Is there more action? Yeah, well, he's obviously angry now, and he wasn't going to make that corner. Wow. Interesting. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. Okay, so that was second split out of 17. Blimey, popular race. Lost some safety rating, unfortunately, but gained some I rating, so very pleased with that. Lap time wise, 57.9. I think I could have gone a bit quicker, but happy with that. It was the fastest lap of the race, and I won the race, and I led. How many laps did I lead? I think I led. It doesn't say, does it? It normally says how many laps you led. Led one. Here we go. Yeah. So you only need to lead the last one, don't you? Yeah, pleased with that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.